Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
Hello everyone. In this video I will explain how to replace a tail light on a Nissan Versa. This is a straightforward task you can do yourself with just a few common tools. First, gather your supplies. You'll need a flathead screwdriver, a 10mm socket, a ratchet, and an extension. A plastic pry tool can also be very useful. Of course, make sure you have your new replacement bulb or the entire tail light assembly ready to go. Let's get started. Now that you have your tools, let's access the tail light assembly. Begin by opening your Nissan Versa's trunk or hatchback. You'll typically find two small covers or access panels inside, near the tail light. Use your flathead screwdriver to carefully pop these off. Behind them, you'll see two 10mm nuts. Use your socket and ratchet to remove these nuts completely. Once the nuts are off, gently pull the tail light assembly straight back from the vehicle. With the tail light assembly free, it's time to replace the bulb. First, disconnect the electrical harness by pressing the small tab and pulling it apart. Next, locate the specific bulb socket you need to replace. Twist the socket about 1/4 turn counterclockwise to release it from the tail light housing. Carefully pull the old bulb straight out of the socket. Now, take your new bulb, being careful not to touch the glass, and push it firmly into the socket until it's seated properly. You're almost done. Now, let's reassemble everything. Insert the bulb socket back into the tail light housing and twist it clockwise about 1/4 turn to lock it in. Reconnect the electrical harness, ensuring it clicks securely into place. Carefully align the tail light assembly with its mounting points and push it firmly back into the vehicle's body. Reinstall the two 10mm nuts, tightening them gently, and replace the access covers. Finally, test your new tail light to ensure it's working correctly. Great job!
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.